And
You like the little guy that kept on biting me? Well, now I just got him. Bye. Oh, I deserve it.
how come you're being so stubborn?
There's freaking fish that bite me every time I go out there, and then they seriously never come into the boat. Yeah, it's frustrating. So frustrating. We brought a fishing pole and we could have cast a net and caught some fish. There's no other turtle down here. Hi, welcome back to VanWild. Well, we caught a turtle about 3 hours ago. And yeah, we named it Red. It's a painted turtle because it has a red belly. We named it Red because of the red belly. And then his back, we found him a long ways away from the water. And his back was dried up and it was all dry and gray, I suppose I could say, but we're gonna let him go. My little Red. If you want the perfect inside marshmallow, you see all these really, really hot coals right here that are just orange, just straight up orange. Just hover it over that for a little bit, and then it will catch on fire. Catch on fire a little bit and blow it out. And then it should have the top should be all covered kind of like this. So then all you have to do is pull it right up and off, and you can get the inside. If you don't like the inside of marshmallows and you like the outside, and you like them however you want, cook the outside like this, and it can work the same way. VanWild, keep up with me.